Hi, everyone. All right. Last week, I asked you to share your student planner with your families. Not only share, as in show it to them, but digitally share it. A couple of you came back this week and told me, Sylvia, I know you explained how to do it, but I forget how to share my planner with my family. So I'm making this video to walk you through it. Clearly, the screen you're looking at right now is not the Cedars classroom. This is a classroom I created to help me learn and practice things on Google Classroom last fall. And it's been really a helpful tool for me to be able to use this classroom to show videos, create videos to show students how to do things. So let's get started. Last week, like I said, we talked about sharing our student planners. Now, there are two ways to access it. The first way to access it is through our classroom. So typically you would see over here Cedars, not School with Sylvia. You'd see Cedars right here. But again, I'm using my practice classroom. You would go to classwork where the student planner was assigned. You'll see right here, it says, oh, student planner. And then you would click on the assignment. And in your assignment, you have your planner, a copy that was made just for you. Now, let's say you are not in the classroom and you're at home trying to find it. Because you've already opened it in class, it was automatically saved to your drive. It is probably one of the first things in this quick access menu that you'll see, but in case it's not, you can also search for it in your drive. You just need to find Mattia Student Planner. So let's see what happens when I write Mattia Student Planner. So I'm going to hit enter. Showing me the results, and oh, there is my planner. So I'm going to click on that, and it opens up our planner, which is actually made on the Google Slide app, but it makes it really easy to go back and forth. Now, in class, I had talked about finding the share button. That's this button right here. So if you have a laptop, if you are using a tablet that is not iPad, all of this should look similar. You click on the share button and you have two ways to share. I can enter in an email right here and it will go away. I can enter in an email up here and I'll hit done and it will send an email to that person saying Sylvia has shared their planner with you. And then the adult, in this case your family, can accept it and now they have access to it. Another way that you can share is to get down here, go to get a link, and you would copy the link. You have to be careful though, because if you choose this option, you and your family have to decide what kind of access that you are giving them. Are you allowing them just to view it so they can see your work? Are you allowing them to make comments? Or are you allowing them to edit, which means that they have access, they're able to change things in your planner. This is truly a decision for you and your family. You have to decide what will be best for your family. You and your family have to make that decision. Okay. If you choose to do it this way here, I'm giving editing privileges. That's why I clicked it there. Then I click copy the link and see there's a note here that says link copied. Now, if I open up I'm done there. If I open up my email, like I can here, let's see. Let me come down here. So if I was Cipriano, I opened up my email, I would click on this button here, which is to compose. Let's try that again. Oh, it's loading. Loading. There we go. So what I can do is I can click link. Oops. Nope. No, I can't. Excuse me, friends. You can right click and paste your link there. Or a different way you can do this, because you've copied it, you can use your Control or Command if you're on an Apple laptop. You'll hit Control or Command V, like victory. And that is the shortcut to paste something you have copied. Then here in recipients, you would write who you're sharing it with. Oh, look, I'm going to share it because I'm pretending to be Cipriano. I'm going to share it with my mom. I'm going to click that there, and I'm going to say, check out my planner. Oops. Check out my planner. And then I would send it. Now, if this were an actual email, I would hope that you would take time to write, Dear Mom, here is my school planner. You can check it out anytime. You're the best mom in the whole world. Because that's what you write to your parents, right? You've been telling them all this time how your parents are just the best in the world, right? So after you have cut and pasted that link, you would also sign off on yours. Oops, that's right. I'm pretending to be Cipriano. And you would hit send. So both of those are options on how to share your student planner with your family. All right, so hopefully you were watching this video with your parents nearby so that in case any step didn't work for you, they can help you solve it. Now, a quick note that you should notice is if you are an iPad user, this is not what your screen looks like. In just a moment, I'm actually going to pull up some pictures to show you what it looks like if you are an iPad user. All right, here we go. So this here are some screenshots I pulled that will help anyone that is trying to share a document on an iPad. So when you have an iPad, your background screen is going to look like this right here. And the way you share, there is no share button the way it was on the laptop, as in the video I just showed you, but there is this icon right here, this plus symbol, and this person. When you click on that, this here shows up. What you can do here is you can click here and you're going to add that person's email address. However, if you want to share it through a link, you come down here to this two-person symbol, you click on that, and this is what will show up. Who has access to it, which on yours, it'll have your name, and then link. And what you'll do right now, this paper is private, only I can access it. I want to change this so that someone else can at least view it or edit it. So what I'll do is I'll click on this change word right there, and this is what shows up. When I click on this button, it shows that it's restricted. It means that only I can access it. Then I can choose either viewer, commentator, or editor, similar to what I was showing you before. So if I want someone to edit, I click there. And then when I'm ready to copy the link, I can open up my email like I showed you before, copy this link in there, and send it to my grown-up. However, if you end up doing this option where you just put their email address here, it will generate an email for you and it'll send it to that person. So this option is actually one step less. All right, my friends, I hope this video has been really helpful for you to share this document, but these same steps will also work for future documents that you would like your parents to see. For example, maybe you're going to have a report this year and you'd like your parents to help you edit it. By giving them access to your paper, then they can help you directly in that versus having you print it out and maybe adding a few more steps to the process. All right, my friends, I'm super excited to use this. Up next, I'm actually going to make another video that will walk you and your family through the planner, especially if the day that we walk through it together in class, maybe you weren't paying super close attention, or maybe we went a little faster than you were ready for. Either way, I'm going to make this video next, so I can't wait to see you in the next video. Have a great day, friends. Bye.